Hi, this is Katie at Savage Slob Hobby Farm, and I'm plotting the start of our future orchard. Come do a small walk with me as I show you our plans. We live on slightly over 3 acres, with about 2 acres being open field. I'm on the northernmost point of the field, which we plan to fence off for larger animals. We're choosing this section for animals because it is easy to see from our home and closer to water. The pasture will go slightly over the crest of the hill, leaving the lower hillside and the bottom of the field up to the power lines for trees. South of the lines will remain native plants and be mostly untouched for pollinators and those cute, fat, chubby bunnies that running around in the field. They are precious and I love them. Before marking the trees, I staked a general path for vehicles around the field. This will allow us easy access and also for the utility company vehicles as needed. It's about 12 feet across. To start our orchard, we are doing 3 sets of pollinating pairs, 2 apples, 2 apricots, and 2 pears. Our soil is mostly clay, so we're starting small with 6 trees to try a planting method my mother taught me. Each tree will have as much potting soil removed from the roots as possible. In its place, the tree will be planted with a 50-50 mix of cow manure and our field soil. We've had success with this for multiple varieties of berries, which I will go over another time. We will be planting semi-dwarf trees to get the max production with a more manageable height of tree. Most semi-dwarfs need 12 to 15 feet for growth, so I'm plotting each of them in a 15 by 15 foot area with the tree in the middle. I'm not being exact with my measurements. Some of the squares might be a bit larger, which is no problem. As you can see, approximately every 7.5 feet rotates between a flag for a tree and a bamboo pole for a perimeter marker. If this first set of trees does well, next year we'll add 2 more to this row, then start another row of 6 to 8 trees. If not, it'll be back to the drawing board to do more research on our soil and how to make it produce. To help with our planning process and keeping track, I have a notebook with a simple sketch of the lower field, fence lines, and sections we cannot use. I have filled this in with the estimations of tree locations to help with future planning. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you'll check in again on our progress in the future. Have a good day.